Dietary requirements. Today we're going to talk about 3 different forms of dietary requirements: medical, beliefs or religion, and health goals. Medical requirements that we're going to talk about are allergies or intolerances and chronic disease. Beliefs and religion we're going to talk about is the plant-based diets and getting food that is kosher or halal. And our health goals, we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet and Weight Watchers. Medical requirements. For some people, these medical requirements are based on allergies or intolerances. When planning food for people with allergies or intolerances, you want to look at the nutrition label, which includes an ingredients list. If you know the food that a person is allergic to, you can look at the list to see if it contains these ingredients. What's nice about the ingredients list is it often lists the common allergens contained at the bottom. Chronic diseases. These can cause requirements to be different as well. If a person has diabetes, one thing that they're concerned with is carbohydrates and sugars. So you can look at the nutrition label and see if there's a high amount of carbohydrates or sugars in the food. If a person has heart disease, they are commonly worried about fats and cholesterol. This is also indicated on the nutrition label. Beliefs in religion. Oftentimes, people choose plant-based diets such as vegan and vegetarian because of their beliefs about animal treatment. You can see on this picture that there are no animals in their My Plate. This is a vegan My Plate, which means it also contains no animal byproducts, such as milk, honey, or butter. Kosher and halal are based on religion, and they're both largely focused around animal as well, specifically how the animal is slaughtered and the cuts of meat that are best for them. When a person is looking for specifically kosher foods, the packaging will indicate this by having an OU or an OK on the package. You can see it circled here on the packaging for Nutella. Health goals. The ketogenic diet. This one is focused around limiting carbohydrates. In this picture for a ketogenic meal, you can see that there's no grains such as rice, corn, or wheat. They want to limit their carbohydrates and get their energy from fats and proteins. Weight Watchers is also focused on limiting, but they're more focused on limiting calories in general. Weight Watchers has partnered with a lot of frozen foods, and you can see here that it is based on a point system. These are all different ways that people might have food requirements.